According to Defensenews, the Croatian government is likely to buy 12 second-hand Rafale F3-R fighter jets. Accordingly, the first 6 aircraft will be delivered to Croatia in 2024. The next 6 will be delivered in 2025. The special thing is that all these fighters have served in the French Air Force for about 10 years. These Rafales are expected to replace the Soviet-era MiG-21 fleet serving in the Croatian Air Force. Before officially signing the contract to buy the Rafale, Croatia received 4 offers from Saab with F-39 Gripen, Israel with F-16 Block 30, Lockheed Martin with F-35, and France, the second-hand Rafale F3-R. In the end, Rafale was the chosen one. But the surprising thing is the terrible price of this used plane, with more than $1.1 billion for 12 aircraft. Thus, each Rafale costs nearly $100 million, excluding weapons. According to the calculations by Defensenews, this price is even more expensive than the US F-35 stealth fighter. Accordingly, the unit price announced by the US in 2020, each F-35 costs about $80 million. Experts say that Croatia's arms procurement package shows the fact that the F-35 is being abandoned by its NATO allies. Even in the early 2021, the British Ministry of Defense also announced a plan to reduce the purchase of F-35B stealth fighters, a plan that made the contractor Lockheed Martin and the US military unhappy. Instead of purchasing 138 F-35Bs as originally planned, only 48 will be purchased. It seems that Britain is prioritizing the domestic stealth fighter Tempest, despite the fact that this country is a close ally of the US in Europe. This decision is said by experts that Britain is following the Germany and France in the F-35 program. Currently, Lockheed Martin is considering returning Turkey's $800 million deposit because the US unilaterally cancelled the contract of 100 F-35s with a total value of $12 billion with Ankara. The story seems to be getting more serious when close US allies in NATO seem indifferent to this stealth fighter. The Italian Ministry of Defense also announced that it is considering the possibility of reducing the number of orders for US F-35 fighters. Although such a decision will entail some economic damage for Italy, it will relieve Italy of a significant financial burden in order to be able to strengthen the country's fragile economy. As for the French Air Force, to replace the aircraft sold, France's military will order 12 new Rafale fighters in 2023, with deliveries scheduled to begin in 2027. I am proud that the Rafale aircraft are coming to Croatia soon. one of the best multipurpose fighter planes of today. By purchasing this aircraft, Croatia will gain a powerful strategic deterrent for the next 30 to 40 years. Mario Bazonic, the defense minister of Croatia, said, "It is an investment in our future and the security of our country, but also a tool that will strengthen Croatia's position as an ally within NATO and a partner within the European Union."